It's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me this evening. It's Christmas Eve. It's the 24th of December, and we're going to open day 24 of our Advent calendar. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and see what the bag has inside of it. I've got day 24 here. Of course, I'm pre-recording these videos because right now I'm actually on Christmas Eve spending some time with my dad's side of the family. It's going to be a little different this year as we lost my dad in October, but we're going to make the best and remember him the best that we can. Take a look at these gorgeous shaker pieces. So we've got some clay sprinkles in rainbow colors with stars, and then we've got all kinds of rainbow colored hearts here. So these are clay, let's just call them clay shaker pieces or clay sequins. They're made out of clay. Please do not eat these. These are not to put on food, but they will look great in those circle shaker covers. Or you could also glue the little hearts onto your cards. And you've got two of them, 2 for 1 today. 2 bags of sequins for day 24. So thanks again so much for joining me this evening. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. If you aren't celebrating with your family, I hope that you have great memories of them and holidays of the past. And tomorrow we're going to open day 25. It's Christmas. I can't believe it. The month has flown by so fast. I've had so much fun opening these with you, and I hope you've enjoyed it as well. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a great evening. Good night.